Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. The AlphaTrend indicator is a technical indicator that does the following. 1. To minimize stop losses and overcome sideways market conditions. 2. To have more accurate buy-sell signals during trending market conditions. 3. To have significant support and resistance levels. 4. To bring together indicators from different categories that are compatible with each other and make a meaningful combination regarding momentum, trend, volatility, volume, and trailing stop loss. And the most important of all, it's a powerful and easy-to-use trend following indicator. I love the simplicity of this trading indicator. I strongly advise beginner traders to add this trading indicator to their trading arsenal technical tools. To apply this trading indicator on the trading chart, navigate to the Indicator folder here. Search the keyword AlphaTrend. Here are the lists of available AlphaTrend indicators. Select the version by Kivanch Ozbiligic. As we can see, here is the trading indicator. Before I proceed to educate you about how this trading indicator works, I need to highlight indicators and their purpose so you can have a quick understanding of how the indicator works. Here are the parameter settings of the AlphaTrend. Under the input settings, there is the multiplier, the common period, the SRC, and the show signals. Under the style settings, there are the color settings of the indicator's plot, buy-sell, background, and the outputs, the labels, and the values options. Take note, to have a higher winning rate with this trading indicator, make sure you only apply it to trade a trending market. With that being said, it's time I show you how to buy and sell with the AlphaTrend indicator. How can we use the AlphaTrend to detect buy setups in the market? First step, look out for a bullish trend. As we can see in this market, price was in a bullish movement. Not just a bullish movement, but a trending bullish movement. Second step, look out for a bearish price pullback in the bullish trend. As we can see, these were the series of bearish price pullbacks in this bullish trend. There are two ways to initiate a buy entry. 1. In a strong bullish trend, wait for price to make a bearish pullback to the green background. Whenever this occurs, the green line should indicate a weak or slight red color. The next step is to buy the bullish trend whenever the weak or slight red color transforms into a green color. 2. Alternatively, whenever a strong bearish pullback occurs in a bullish trend, wait for the AlphaTrend indicator to pop up a buy signal indicator before buying the bullish market. As we can see in this massive bearish pullback here, the AlphaTrend indicator bullish signal here revived this bullish trend. Exit your buy trade whenever price closes below the AlphaTrend indicator in an uptrend. How can we use the AlphaTrend to detect sell setups in the market? First step, look out for a bearish trend. Second step, look out for a bullish price pullback in the bearish trend. As we can see, these were the series of bullish price pullbacks in the bearish trend. There are two ways to initiate a sell entry. 3. In a strong bearish trend, wait for price to make a bullish pullback to the red background of the AlphaTrend indicator. Whenever this occurs, the red line should indicate a weak or slight green color. The next step is to sell the bearish trend whenever the weak or slight green color transforms into a red color. 4. Alternatively, whenever a strong bullish pullback occurs in a bearish trend, wait for the AlphaTrend indicator to pop up a sell signal indicator before selling the bearish market. As we can see in this massive bullish pullback here, the AlphaTrend indicator sell signal led to the continuation of this bearish trend. Exit your sell trade whenever price closes above the AlphaTrend indicator in a downtrend. Now you can see this AlphaTrend indicator is an effective and simple to use trading strategy, especially for beginners in the market.